A team of researchers at MIT have developed an AI technique that can help robots manipulate objects with their entire bodies. The technique, called smoothing, allows robots to summarize many contact events into a smaller number of decisions. This allows the robots to quickly identify an effective manipulation plan, even in complex or changing environments. The researchers tested their technique on a simulated robot with a simple arm and 3 fingers. The robot was tasked with rotating a bucket 180 degrees. The researchers found that their technique was able to help the robot learn to rotate the bucket in about a minute. This is much faster than traditional programming methods, which could take hours or even days to develop. The MIT researchers' technique is a significant development in the field of robotics. It shows that AI can be used to help robots overcome the limitations of traditional programming and become more adaptable and capable. This could have a major impact on the way that robots are used in the future, making them more useful and versatile tools. The researchers believe that their technique could be used in a variety of applications, including factory automation, medical care, search and rescue, and space exploration. For example, robots that can manipulate objects with their entire bodies could be used to assemble products in factories, assist with surgery, search for survivors in disaster areas, or explore space. Here are some of the key benefits of the MIT robot development: increased efficiency and productivity. Robots that can manipulate objects with their entire bodies can perform tasks more efficiently and productively than robots that are limited to using their fingertips. This could lead to significant savings in manufacturing and other industries. Improved safety. Robots that can understand and respond to their surroundings more effectively are less likely to cause accidents. This could make them safer to use in factories, hospitals, and other environments where people are present. Enhanced flexibility and adaptability. Robots that can learn and adapt to new situations are more versatile and can be used in a wider range of applications. This could make them more valuable tools for businesses and organizations. Here are some of the challenges that need to be addressed before this technology can be widely used. The robots need to be able to sense and understand the world around them in a more sophisticated way. This will allow them to make better decisions about how to manipulate objects. The robots need to be able to learn and adapt to new situations more quickly. This will allow them to be more versatile and useful in a wider range of applications. The robots need to be more energy efficient. This will make them more cost-effective to use and will also help to reduce their environmental impact. The MIT robot development is a significant step forward in the field of robotics. It has the potential to make robots more capable, versatile, and useful than ever before. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see robots that are able to perform tasks that are currently beyond our capabilities.